In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import audio into Premiere Pro. If you're just getting started or you want a quick refresher, I'll walk you through 3 simple ways to bring your audio into your project and share a few helpful tips so everything goes smoothly. First, make sure you have Premiere Pro open with a project ready. You'll be working in the project panel, which is where all your media lives. By default, it's usually in the lower left of your workspace. If it looks empty, that's perfect. You're ready to import. The fastest way is to double-click inside the blank space of the project panel. That opens your computer's file browser. Navigate to the folder that contains your audio, select the file or files you want. Yes, you can select multiple at once, and click Open. Premiere Pro will add them to the project panel right away, and you'll see them appear with audio icons and their file names. Another convenient method is to drag files directly from your computer's folders into Premiere Pro. Open your File Explorer or Finder, locate your audio, and simply click and drag it into the project panel. When you let go, Premiere imports it instantly. This is great when you already have a folder open and want to move quickly. If you're dragging several clips, it helps to keep your files clearly named and organized so you can grab exactly what you need in one go. The third method is using the top menu. Click File, then Import. This brings up the same file browser as before. Select your audio and confirm. This approach is especially handy if you prefer staying in the menus or if your project panel is crowded and you want a consistent path to import. Whichever route you choose, a few tips will help you avoid headaches. Keep your audio files in a stable, well-organized folder on your drive before you import them. Try not to move or rename those files on your computer after importing, because Premiere Pro references their original location. Common formats like WAV, MP3, and AAC work well, but for best quality and fewer surprises, uncompressed WAV files at a standard sample rate are a reliable choice. And if you bring in several files at once, consider grouping them in clearly labeled folders on your drive so they appear organized when they land in your project panel. That's it. 3 quick, reliable ways to import audio into Premiere Pro. Double-click in the project panel, drag from your computer, or use File and Import. Pick the method that fits your workflow, and you'll be ready to start editing your sound right away.